model, 56 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.9 Cdti start cutout needs easy repair. No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 150698. MOT, the 15th of May 2026. Engine, 1870 cc G9 UE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts for a couple of seconds then cuts out, runs great on easy start. Maybe needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy.